This is a new Holy Week schedule from Pakrats going to Donye. Moi Priatel. This is a Nubi Sati from Pakrats going to Donye, Lipik, Pakrats, Lipik, Donye. Sorry about my language because I speak little Harabatski. Me, Nubi Busaj, Auraidu, Moi Priatel, Bidi Musi, Donye Kaglek. Okay, Auraidu, Bolemti, Europa, Dobro Yotro, and pick and drop to our beloved passengers in Donye going to Pakrat. So to all beloved residents here in Donye, public utility bus, if you want going to Pakrat and Lipik, this bus is ready to serve you. Hey guys, good morning. Dobro Yutro Europa. We are now here in my new route, new schedule. This is Donye Kaglik 2. This is nearby Lipik, Donye Kaglik 2. This is a village also, and they have a mountain. They have a mountain, good weather, and beautiful view of mountain, very quiet, and we have a church. As you can see, more green grass, and rainy days. Croatian is Kisha, Danas Kisha, that's right. So to all beloved residents here in Donye, you have a bus, public utility bus. If you want going to Pakrats and Lipik, this bus is ready to serve you. One ride, Yadan, Deset. Going to Pakrats, Yadan, Deset. See? So this is Donye. So village. Yeah, this is village. Because there is no mall, there is no building. Only house and church and mountain. Look, it's a beautiful house, very antique and old design, but very concrete. Okay, so this is our parking area going to Pakrats, nearby the church. See, this is a parking area of Arriba going to Pakrats. This is your bus, public utility. So if you want going to Pakrats and Lipik, just wait here in this area nearby the church, and one ride of one passengers, one ride is Yadan Deset. Okay, so this is a very rainy day. I think this is a rainy season. They have also rainy season here. That's why Kisha is coming. Meron din palang tag-ulan dito at tag-yelo. Yung tag-init medyo madalang dito sa Croatia kasi sa 4 months o 5 months natin dito, naranasan na natin yung tag-yelo. Naranasan na rin natin yung pakunting-kunting init. Tapos ngayon ito araw-araw umuulan. Every day they have rain, I don't know. I don't know. I think this is a season of rainy. They have also low pressure here, like Philippines. So our beloved residents here, once again, if you want going to Pakrats and Lipig, this bus, like utility vehicle, to ride, they have a payment of Yadan Deset. So that is €1.10. So once again, Dobro Jutro Europa, Volume T, Kisha Danas. So it's time to depart now. I don't have any one passengers going to Pakrats. So this is normal because this is a new road of this area, and also sometimes changes of our schedule. That's why the passengers are confusing about the bus and the schedule. So that's the problem, you know. So this is Donye. So going to Pakrats. Donye area. This is a village also. So as you can see, very quiet and peaceful place. Because every day you see the mountain, and also like this every day, mountain, trees. I think big shopping mall is in Saglit, not here. So once again, this is downhill. So mabukid ano din pala do, mountain. So ito ang Doni area, katabi lang ito ng Lipig. So paakyat pababa rin pala ang daan dito mga kaibigan, no? As you can see, para katimunan. So kaya pagbilaw. So yung mga bahay dito, pare-pareho lang din. Kung nakikita nyo, bakit kaya ano? That is a big question for me. Why in European the all houses is same or similar, or same structure and same materials and design? So comment down below to my video for my, because I want to know about that. Back to Pakrats and also Lipig. I don't have passengers because today is rainy days, and also this road is new, and also holiday. The Holy Week is coming. Celebrate in the month of May, to remember the days when Jesus sacrificed to our sin. Para tayong iligtas. So, this is Lipig. Only 10 minutes from Pakrats to Donye, something like that. That's a travel time. So as you can see, no passengers because rainy days. there is no school. Today is holiday, I think. So, Moy Priatel, Dobro Jutro. So we were going to ride because we going to Pakrats, Kuludubor Terminal. Very quiet this today, because the rainy season is coming. So traveling vlog because you know I don't have passenger. Travel only, and make ay nako, wala talaga tayo pasayro. As you can see, this is a Lipik area, nearby Pakrats. So, mga kaibigan, halos 3 days nang nag-uulan dito. Buong araw walang tigil na ganito-ganito lang. The rain is continuing. It's raining. Continuing raining days. Tatlong araw nang tuloy-tuloy ang ulan ganito mga kaibigan. Ganito lang siya. Hindi naman lumalakas. Siguro gawa lang ng init saka lamig sa ating kaulapan. Kaya ang kalalabasan ay ambon-ambon. So malapit na tayo sa ating Terminal Pakrats. So, tingnan natin yung ating oras sa Pakrats mga kaibigan. Pakrats 7:45. Pakrats 7:45. This is Kuludubor Pakrats Terminal, okay? Dobro Jutro, Europa. Vedimo si Sotra, Europa.